Really what RentRedi strives to do is allow you to have all of the control that you want, but none of the manual work that you don't. The initial version of RentRedi, believe it or not, was actually to create an easier way for myself and friends to apply to apartments more easily.
I'm Ed Barone. I'm co-founder of RentRedi. Most landlords or investors that come to us are using spreadsheets or pen and paper. And so we said, can we give them an enterprise level solution? The landlord with 1 or even 100 units, it saves them time using RentRedi. They gain higher profitability because rather than paying someone else to manage the property, they can manage it themselves. We cover every piece of the puzzle that a landlord would need to manage their rentals. Listing your property, screening tenants, handling pre-qualifications, applications, collecting rent, handling your maintenance, accounting, and communicating with your tenants. Good communication is the most important thing for the tenant. And so giving the landlord the ability to respond quickly, that ends up in the tenant at the end of 12 months feeling good and saying, I want to renew this lease. RentRedi is easy to use, but at the same time helps landlords manage efficiently, which ultimately gets them closer to their goals to either retire or go on a most amazing vacation or have extra income. RentRedi helps landlords make their lives better.
When someone comes back to us 2 months in or 6 months in or a year in and says how much of a difference it made for them, that's the part that feels the best, honestly.
RentRedi!